or any website you will be selected here. If I enter the wrong URL after something, you will redirect for home page. But here I am changing small changes here. Now you can refresh. The showing will be 404 error. So what is meant by 404 error? If any website file will be not found. Suppose I enter about us is there. Here I enter about us. The showing will be 404 error. But I have to show will be no error with the redirect automatically into home page. So this is called the file name is called is a hidden file. Go to settings in the cPanel. We have to go will be file manager. In this file manager, public underscore HTML. Here go will be settings. In this show your hidden file. After that, the file name will be .ht access. Here we can writing the code will be in the based on the website. So previous I'm changing for HTML. Now I'm changing will be PHP. Save change. Now simple refresh. Then a fraction of seconds, if enter any wrong URL after .com, it is redirect to the home page. The now showing will be 404 error. So this file will be important for each and every website based on the extension important, which is the code platform you can use it to making a website, PHP or HTML. Follow this one and to fix your 404 issues each and every website. If any further question about SEO, regarding any queries, please contact our channel and definitely will be supported. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.